Hello students, greetings from Saraswati Sishu Kunj. This is Applied English and in this video, students, I am going to discuss with speaking part 1, part 2 and part 3. This is a demonstration video students I have specially made for you where I am asking all 3 parts to one of the teachers, and when you watch a demonstration video, you will come to know. Students, I have already mentioned in my previous videos that there are total 3 parts we have in applied English speaking. The first part, it is an introductory part. The second one is cue card topic, and the third one, follow-up questions. When you watch a demonstration video, students, you will come to know that how applied English full length speaking. And there are students total 3 parts that I have covered, and as I said, I have asked one of the teachers, and what are the 3 parts that I am going to write over here? Full length speaking. Okay, first part is introductory part. Introductory part. The second one is cue card, and the third one, follow-up questions. Students, you know the time limit of all these 3 parts. It's around 10 to 12 minutes, but it depends on candidate and also depends on number of questions and cue card topic. But students, keep in mind, in applied English speaking examination or in applied English speaking, I am talking about full length speaking, there is no specific time, but always we need to keep in mind that approximately 10 to 12 minutes. So I write here 10 minutes to 12 minutes. 10 minutes to 12 minutes approximately, students. And this is a kind of demonstration video where you watch, students, you will come to know that how the video is. And based on this video, students, the same type of questions can be asked to you when you have applied English speaking of competition. And students, when you appear for this competition, you will come to know that what type of questions are being asked. And here, students, I attach a demonstration video. Watch the video very carefully and understand what all 3 parts: introductory part, cue card, and follow-up questions. Hello, ma'am.
Hello.
Good morning.
Good morning.
As we begin applied English speaking examination,
Okay.
there are total 3 parts we have. First one, introductory part. The second one is cue card, and the third one, follow-up questions.
Okay.
My name is Parman Narul. I am your applied English examiner,
Okay.
and the first part we begin. Before that, I would like to ask you, may I have your identity proof?
Yes, here it is. Take.
Okay, thank you. May I know your full name?
Yes, my full name is Anita Anu Bhatia and I come from Anand.
Okay. Do you like your hometown?
Yes, I like my hometown because I stay over there from 15 years.
Okay. What are the facilities you get in your hometown?
Yeah, there are generally so many facilities. It is also known as big city mostly because Amulder is located over there. There are so many big cinemas, malls over there, supermarkets as well as DMart. So we can find.
Okay. Ma'am, the first part begins, and it is an introductory part,
Okay.
and the topic you have celebrity.
Alright.
Who is your favorite celebrity?
There are so many, but if I want to talk about one, I like Akshay Kumar as a hero because he performs all the characters like comic, funny. Even last movie I have seen of him, that is Lakshmi. The way he has performed, the way he has spoken, extraordinary.
Okay. Do you like any foreign celebrities?
No, I don't like any foreign. Means I like, but they are not my favorites. Like Akshay Kumar and the celebrities of India.
Okay. Would you want to be a celebrity in the future?
Yes, I want to be because everybody likes to be a celebrity. But as a teacher, I feel that whenever Teachers Day or Guru Purnima or my birthday, I feel like a celebrity because I am having so many just messages and phone calls of students. So that day, seriously, I feel like a celebrity. As a teacher, I can say.
Okay. Do you think we should respect famous people's privacy?
Yes, we should respect because it depends on them that how they are living. So we should not sometimes people like to comment of celebrities, so we should not do that. They should have a privacy of them also.
Okay. How do celebrities influence their fans in India?
Okay. Generally, people like that they think that they are like my role model. I want to be like them. I have seen so many college girls and boys. They like to follow that. They like to follow them. They like to follow their hairstyle. How they dress up. So they like to follow, and this way they influence to people.
Okay. This is the end of part 1.
Okay.
Now, ma'am, we begin the second part, and it's a cue card. I will give you a cue card topic along with the bullet points, and I'll give you a pen. And I give 1 minute. You can note down some points if you
Alright.
wish on this paper.
Okay.
And after 1 minute, ma'am, I will ask you to speak on the cue card topic.
Okay.
Are you ready?
Yes.
Yes.
Let me just note down. Then I will.
Okay, your time starts now.
Alright.
Uh, Time up, ma'am.
Okay. I am ready now.
You can speak on the cue card topic.
Okay. Today, just you have given that cue card. My topic is talk about the prize you want to win. Right? Talk about the prize you want to win. Alright. By listening the word prize, everybody likes to have a prize, right? Everybody likes to be a winner. Everybody loves. But I still remember as a teacher, means when I was in school. From that time, I wanted to get a gold medal, school university gold medal, and so I didn't get. But we should not make ourselves depressed. This year I have not got, so it doesn't mean we should stop taking part in competition. We should take part. And we should make other people also influence that you should take part, though you are not getting. And finally, when I just entered in college, I again hope that I didn't get. In master degree, I again hoped I didn't get, and finally, in the last year of my BA, I achieved. So sometimes we should have positivity with competition. That price doesn't matter, but we will have confidence, we will have positivity, and we will have personality. So, according to me, we should have that hope that we should have that prize after the competition. But if not there, we should not be depressed. And I told to my students also that you should take part in all the competition whether you win or not. At least you will have confidence and you will have that personality and you will achieve for sure. So hard work is important for success.
Okay, ma'am. This is the end of part 2. It's called cue card topic.
Okay.
Now we begin, ma'am, the third part.
Okay.
And the third part we have is follow-up questions.
Okay.
Are you ready for the third part?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now I begin with the third part. And the first question, ma'am, you have: what rewards can children get from school?
Yes, generally, when as a teacher, when we take any competition, after competitions, we just give them as a certificate, or sometimes we give a medal that is not of gold or silver, but just kind of medal, or a trophy we give, or maybe some stationery gift we are giving.
Okay. Should parents push their children to get prizes?
According to me, parents should not force to children that you should achieve prize. Instead of that, they should say to students that you should take part, though you will not be a winner, but you will have a good personality. So you should take part.
Okay. Is it good for children to compete for prizes at school?
They should compete, but they should have positivity. That ego should not be there. Only I am going to win. That negativity should not be there. But they should compete.
What kind of rewards can companies offer to their outstanding employees?
If I talk about companies, generally they offer that holiday packages. They offer or sometimes they offer at the time of they offer in Diwali there is a bonus. This way they offer or kind of gift package they give.
Okay. Are people very much competitive nowadays?
Yes, because you have to be competitor, otherwise you cannot stay on this world, right? So you have to be competitor, otherwise somebody will push you. So you have to be like that.
Okay. What can teacher do to encourage students to take part in competition?
If I talk about, because I am also a teacher, so teachers should make the students in that way energetic, so they should take part. If I will say you are very dull, you sit down, I will not write your name, you cannot be a participant, then he will not be able to take part in any competition next onwards. So I should make them, I should just be in their heart, so they can have confidence.
Okay. And ma'am, the last question.
Okay.
Is it easy to compete with others?
If you are well prepared, then easy, according to me. If you are not well prepared, then difficult.
Okay.
It's simple.
Okay. Good ma'am. You have given all follow-up question answers, and it's a satisfied one. This is the end of Applied English Speaking examination.
Thank you.
We have completed all three parts: part 1, part 2, and part 3. And you have really performed well.
Thank
And
you.
later you will get your marks.
Okay, for sure. I will be waiting, and thank you just you have asked me, and I'm feeling good.
Welcome, ma'am.